Hey y'all, we're out here fishing in the Pocono Mountains for smallmouth bass.
So this is now our tradition. We come up to the Poconos and I let Mal do the intro to this spot. Cue the B-roll. We are back to one of my favorite spots in Pennsylvania. I just absolutely love this spot. It is very scenic. There's only one hole, so we'll see what we can do. I took some casts earlier with a bigger Hellgrammite, and now I'm going to switch to my ultralight setup and fish the small Euro tackle Hellgrammite and see what results we can get with this guy. Come on, big one.
Not as slow.
I didn't even feel him bite. I almost died getting down here. Did you see that? Help! My boots. Okay, Change almost died too. Died. I know, I saw that. All right. Let me pause the video so we can regroup. Really hoping I was recording because I just caught this guy. But if I wasn't, I guess I'll be disappointed and have to tell you the story. All right, a little bit of a weird situation. The GoPro seemed to be acting up a bit there. I did check, I saw that I got the catch, so that's great. But there was a lot of footage that didn't come through. So I weighed the fish. It was about 1 pound, 7 ounces, which makes it just under 1.5 pounds, and I released it. That's basically what y'all missed. But really cool fish, really glad to be on it. And I'll try to figure out what's going on with my GoPro. This is just such an awesome spot. Also, I figured now is a good time to show you Mal and I's setup. So I fish over here, as y'all can see, and Mal sits in her beach chair and naps. And this is the situation. Neither one of us expected to fall, especially not at the same time. So these rocks are very, very slippery. But if you are going fishing with your girlfriend, this is how I can convince her to come.
A+ setup.
I'm getting bites. I just think they're the smallest fish ever. Got a feeling this might be my good one. That was a big bass. There's a good one. This is the big one. Oh! Shucks, stay out of there. He's even bigger than the other one. He's going to be about 2 pounds if I can land him. Ah, fudge. Oh, let's go! Let's go! That's the big one I saw swim by. Dude, what a pretty place to catch it too. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this, y'all. I mean, what a pretty place to catch him too. He's gonna be 1 pound and 3/4. I'm gonna say just under 2 pounds. Look at how dark he is too. That is a beautiful, beautiful fish. He's dark. I saw him swim by, and when he bit, I knew exactly who bit. Wow. That is a nice bass. All right, let's get a weight on our buddy. 1 pound, 10 ounces. So actually more closer to 1.5 pounds than 2 pounds. But regardless, that is an awesome fish. I'm gonna snag a picture of him. Let's get one more look for the camera and let him go. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I was getting my picture. I was holding him with one hand. He shook. I was holding him left-handed so I could take a right-handed picture. And he shook, fell into the water, and swam off. So 2 releases that I haven't been able to show y'all. But yeah, that was real weird. Yeah, he had a lot of power behind him. He looked really healthy. He looked healthier than the other one we caught. Very cool. And what a great place to catch him. I mean, this is very scenic. All right, people, we've tried the Nico Hellgrammite, didn't have any luck with that. Had luck with the Eurotackle Hellgrammite, tried the Eurotackle Z Cranker, didn't have any luck with the Z Cranker. So now we are moving on to the Eurotackle B5. I went with this lure because it's a totally different color than what I've been using. It is white. Everything else I've been using has been either brown or brown and like black, so darker colors. We'll see if this might be the secret sauce. Big one. Mal, help. Nat. Thanks, love. I don't think we're gonna be able to land him, dear. I think he's gonna snap the line.
Nope.
Thanks.
You got it. Go in if you have to.
He's like maybe the largest smallmouth I've ever hooked into.
What can I do, love?
I think you're good, love. Thank you. You did everything. If we might.
Holy moly.
Okay, you're making me a little nervous, though.
Oh my god.
Come on.
You got it, Jim.
Shh, stay calm, love. Help. All right, I'm in. It's in my bag. I need another reel. One more reel. He's like too big for the net, love. Oh my gosh, we did it. We got it. Oh, wow. What the heck? I'm not even kidding you. This might be my personal best smallmouth bass. Let me get a good grip on him, because babe, that's the biggest smallmouth I've ever caught.
Dude, that's huge.
I know. Can you please help grab my phone? It's in the back part of my thing. Let me actually just show the people in case he kicks. That is a huge bass. That's my largest smallmouth. I know it is.
Yeah.
Look at how healthy it looks too. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. Two pounds, 11 ounces. That is crazy.
That's crazy. Babe, everyone walking by is cheering you on. The 2 cents of people have.
All right, time to say goodbye to our buddy. That's a beautiful, beautiful, healthy looking bass. Awesome fish. We're actually gonna get this release on camera. All right, I just to tell them all, I've been trying to, this would have been the 3rd release that I missed because my GoPro actually just died. We gotta say goodbye to our little friend here. We gotta get this one on camera. He's ready, he's ready. There he goes. He's on. Look how pretty he is.
He's so pretty.
It has been like 2 hours since my GoPro died and I caught that smallmouth. After I caught it, I've just been sitting here with Mal, enjoying the scenery. It's very nice back here, and basically decompressing, because I was not expecting to catch a 3-pound bass. I knew this spot would have pounders, maybe pound and a half, maybe 2, but I felt like 2 was even pushing it. So I was not prepared. I had the ultralight. I am shocked I landed, and huge shout out to Molly, because without her, I don't get that net. I probably don't land that fish. And it is a spot where it's hard to hear. So I had to like scream at the top of my lungs so she could actually hear me. But everything worked out today. This is an awesome spot. To be honest, if I wasn't fishing with Mal, I wouldn't be here. I'd be on my kayak somewhere. So I'm really, really glad that everything worked out. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. See y'all.